Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to use the forecasting feature available in Power BI. So there's a stock in which I track and I purchase, and which is called the Titan company stock, and I was wondering whether I wanted to purchase more of it or not. So what I've done is I've downloaded the historical data for this stock, and this is how it looks like. So I've downloaded the stock from 1996 onwards till 2019. So I'll import that data in and try to predict or forecast the future values just to see whether it's a good buy or not, looking at the historical data. So I'll click on the line chart and what I've essentially done is I've imported the data set and I've changed the close. So I've changed it to not summable by going into the modeling tab. So if I select this, I've just made this don't summarize. And now I'll put this into focus mode and I'll select the date and I'll select the close price. So and I'll just drag it on here. And I think it's just falling down because it's not a count. Let's just say I want an average. So you can see how the values are trending. So and now what I will do is, let's say I want to forecast the future. So I'll go to the analytics pane, and on the analytics pane, I will go down to the forecast. Let this open up, and then what I'll do is I'll just say add. And you can see it's automatically just predicted for the next till 2029. So it's predicting. That's a bit too much. So let's just say I want to predict for the next 5 years only, and I'll select that and I'll hit apply. And so this is how it's sort of telling me how the prices could. So this is the actual, and then this is, oh, oops, I've just said ignore last 5. No, I don't want that. But I just wanted to predict for the next, let's say 5 years. And you can see how the price is. And then when I say ignore the last 5 points, or let's see how it trends vis-a-vis the forecasting. So you can see that it started predicting from 2015 onwards, and the prediction is showing that, so let's say the average was 367 rupees, it should have gone to 613, but at the moment it is at 1099. So it's not accurate, but it does give you a baseline. So let's just go back and remove the ignore points, and I'll just go and hit on apply. So what I'm essentially doing is I'm just predicting the future price, and how I determine the more the precision I want, the more the variance it's giving me, because it's pretty hard to predict with 99% level of accuracy. So it's giving me a higher, lower, and upper bound and lower bound. And as I say, I want less accuracy, and I'm not really concerned. You can see that it just sort of the band gets reduced. And what I can also do is I can change the color of the line. So let's say I want a red line or a yellow line maybe, and let's just make it red. And I can, instead of a solid line, I can say it's a dashed line. And I can say in place of a fill, just give me, and I can tweak the transparency levels as well. So let's just keep it back to revert to default. And so this is an interesting feature where you can forecast or make future predictions based on the past historical data. And as we saw, that it might not be an accurate one where we ignored the last 5 points, but it gives you a ballpark figure or something to aim at, and then you can sort of look and do your own research. So I find this feature fairly interesting, and I'm just using it to predict stock prices. You could probably use it to do some commodity price forecasting. So this is an interesting feature. I really enjoyed it, and I thought I'll just share it with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and well, yeah, like my video if you enjoy it, and please do subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Cheers. Bye.